Can you say that such conferences like that are especially important during the financial crisis?
Yes, I'd rather say that they are very important because you can accomplish a lot of not ideas, a lot of opinions, and you see how the crisis is going on now. Definitely are important because during the meeting with people from all the sections of the financial, let's say, sphere, you can hear the opinions of them, and definitely they will help all the participants here to create their own opinion about the crisis and to develop ideas how they will go through the crisis.
What was the most interesting topic for you here at this conference?
For me as a banker, I'm interested to hear about structuring and how the other countries, members of the European Union, which is Cyprus is European Union as well, and Greece, are doing the structuring. It was important to hear about the tax issues, and definitely it was important for me to hear about new, let's say, ideas again, or new opinions, how these financial and consulting services offering now through the crisis to people, how they will structure their companies.
What can you say about the organizing of this conference?
Amazing. That's just word includes everything. It's really good organized and very important. And it covers a lot of topics. Definitely we'll see today what it will be, also the speeches. But so far, it's from all the aspects, is well organized, and the topics are really important.
Thank you very much.
Thank you too.